Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, whatever your time it is. Welcome to Mickey and My Craft. This is Hilda, your host. Welcome, new subscribers. If you're new to this channel, you came across, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. I have other playlists with other craft, like Paint by Number. By the way, this is an unboxing of Paint by Number on the Amazon Black Friday sale or Cyber Monday sale. And also, I have paper towel and diamond painting. So, like I was saying, this is Paint by Number unboxing of Amazon from Cyber Monday. We're going to start with this one. Okay. These are various companies. Let's see. I don't like folded, but, you even the excuse me even the rolling too, sometimes you have to iron them. So let me get you closer. Here is a picture. It's a 40 by 50. It's a beautiful picture. I like it. I love landscape. That's my favorite one. We got that. We got the brush, which are not great quality, along with the hooks to hang it. But at least if you're new to Paint by Number, it will help you, okay? So that's that one. We got the colors. This is a landscape, so this one has 24 colors. So here are, the colors for mostly greens and grays, some blues for the sky and the water. Okay. What we got over here? It's a 40 by 50. We got the chart, which is very helpful. A company that doesn't give you a chart, you're gonna have to take pictures, because eventually you're gonna need it for if you make a mistake. This will help you. This has the instruction for use. Okay, and here we have the chart, which is very simple. This is look like it's a simple picture. It has a lot of small areas, but you can see the number, like over here is 22. You see? You can read the number. If you can read the number in the chart, it's not a problem. You should be able to read the numbers in the chart to help you. Oh, come on, camera. You need to focus. So we got that. And now we got the canvas, which is very stiff. It tells you that it's 40 by 50. Okay. It's a very stiff canvas. It's folded, so it needs to be ironed, in a soft, in a low setting, just like the diamond painting canvas. Okay, because this one kind of a plasticky thing, and you might but the number you might melt it. But the numbers are clear. The lines are clear. Why do I have this? Here we got. Here we have the small numbers, 19, 19. Let's see those 22. Here they are. You see, even the smallest one, you can see it. They're very well defined, the lines in between too. Okay. So this is a pretty one. I don't know why there's so much shadow, but so let me put this back. Back into the if it's too broken, I got back over here. I got it back. Also, I don't wanna get I don't wanna get it you know, dirty or anything like that. You should always cover your canvas. This one is not like diamond painting. I have the cover sheet and stuff like that. This one, if I can put it this way, we will stretch it out a little bit. Then we have, here it is again. That's why you see the colors that you see. I'm gonna put it like this. Okay. And let's go. The next one is in a box. Okay, it tells you to my lover. Made in China. Give you a reminder. It gave you a diagram on how to paint by number, and then some tips over here. Okay, so let's see what we got over here. Ugh. There's nothing else in here. This is a 40 by 50 also. Comes with a bag. Let's see if we can open this bag that it won't break. Here is a picture of the item. This is for autumn. It's a 40 by 50. Beautiful, huh? Beautiful picture. So the colors, you get the brushes, which for if you're new to this, you can use this. Okay? You can use it, but it's a one-time use, so you know, I keep it aside. So this one has also 24 colors. Look at the colors. Autumn colors. Okay. The autumn colors. This one also has the short. I don't know, but these are some kind of numeric colors, but oh, this one is got a lot of small spaces because we have a tree. Has a lot of small spaces. This is the short. And if you can see, oops. And if you can see the small number, like 20 in there, like 14 in the smaller spaces. So the chart is very clear. Okay, and here is the canvas. It's a landscape. Again, it's a tough canvas. It's stiff. This one you also have to iron it. You have to iron it and stretch it and give it a gesso treatment, clear gesso, before you start painting. Okay, so the painting will last you longer and flow smoothly. Here it is. The lines are okay. They're dark, but they're not that dark. The numbers, you can see it. That's 19. In the smaller spaces, you know, everything is divided accordingly. No room for mistake. Number 11 in there. Number 12. So this is another good one. I like the fact that the colors are pretty, autumn colors. This is way better. I like this one too. This is from Amazon, like I said, Black Friday. Put it back in the box. Let's see the last one. This is another pretty picture. This one is kind of a little bit darker in color. But this is like a mirror image and it's autumn. Look like it's autumn too. So the colors are gonna be muted. I'm predicting that. Oh, I had it upside down. Oh, well, it's a mirror. So I had it upside down. Sorry about that. Beautiful. The colors are going to be muted. Here is, you got your standard toolkit, which is the 3 brushes and hooks to hang it. This one also has 24 colors. And here it is. We got some bright colors though, but it's for the orangey in the picture. For these ones. But you got a lot of muted color too. Okay. Now let's take a look at the canvas. Oh, this one is different. And this one, the chart is a small one. Which I don't like. Because I don't know which way it is. And look at this number. I mean, there's a lot of small number for such a little chart. I don't like this chart. That's a 9 or 8. You can easily get confused. And over here, what the heck is that? There's 2 numbers in there stuck together. Yeah, this one, the numbers in the short are not so clear. So I don't like that. The short must be clear. Okay, and here it is. I'm just gonna do it again, upside down. And this one, it has a color background. Maybe because you can hardly see the short. So it can be, look, this one also you have to iron it, all 3 of them. It's very clear, the numbers though. It's more clear than in the pattern, the short, but the short should have been bigger. I'm looking for that number that it was kind of transposed twice. I don't know. The numbers are very clear, even in the small spaces. That's a 3. Yeah, and a 7. But it is because the background is shorted and the lines are kind of red. The division line. But this is great. It's a 40 by 52 also. But the short, I don't like the short. Definitely not a fan of it. Not a fan of the short. I'm looking for the picture. I lost the picture. Probably fell on the floor. I'll look for it, unless it's all messed up in here. Let's see, here it is. Yeah, I like to put the picture outside so I will know which one to pick. The light is not helping. Oh, come on. Sorry, guys. Well, thank you for watching. With this, we're done. Okay? Have a wonderful weekend, a wonderful week. Rest of the week. Today is Thursday. And sorry this didn't come out earlier, but oh God, the pain on the knee is not helping. It's not helping at all. And thank you for watching again. Hope you enjoy. Give it a thumbs up, like, share, and comment. Until the next time, don't forget to hug and kiss your fur baby from Mickey and I. Until the next time, much love and peace to all of you. Bye.